Hey everyone, Jason Hill here, and we're in the beautiful outdoors enjoying some camping. And one of my favorite items to make for breakfast while camping is a breakfast quesadilla because it's simple and delicious. So let me show you how I do it. Okay, you can see I have my Camp Chef flat top grill, cast iron. I've got some oil on it. And I always like to, if I'm gonna do any grilling, like grilled cheese, quesadillas, keep one side maybe off and then the other side over here on a medium low because the heat does transfer over. So like I said, when I'm camping, I like to keep it simple. So I just buy these pre-seasoned, pre-cooked hash brown potatoes, and I got 2 cups here. I'm gonna add a little more oil to the grill. And these just come refrigerated, so it's super simple when you're camping. I wanna keep them in a single layer, and we just wanna brown them up. Okay, once again, keeping it simple. I had some pre-cooked bacon, some pre-cooked pork sausage that I diced up. I wanna brown that up. After another minute or so, let's give our potatoes a flip. Oh yeah, look at that, turning out nice and golden brown. I think the bacon and sausage is browned up enough, so what I'm gonna do is push this aside up to where the grill is not on, so it'll stay warm, but not continue to cook or burn. All right, so we've pushed everything up to the top. It's time to scramble the eggs. I've already pre-scrambled 6 eggs here. These are gonna cook pretty quick. Okay, those are pretty much done. Once again, let's push to the side. I almost forgot. I have fresh chives from the garden that I wanted to mix in with the eggs, so I can still do it. So now we're gonna build the quesadillas. I'm gonna get 2 flour tortillas down. I've got Carolina Reaper jack cheese and some cheddar. Now we wanna get some taters on there. Oh yeah. Bacon sausage. Get some eggs. Yeah, I think these are pretty hearty quesadillas, if I do say so myself. And we want to give them a, oh, nope. Wait a minute. Gotta have more cheese. Oh yeah, are you kidding me? Another little flip. Give them a little push. Get that cheese to start melting. Put our dome on, sock in that heat. Time to check them for the flip. Make sure they're golden brown. Look at these guys. Loaded breakfast quesadillas. Go make yourself a dang quesadilla. They're ready to come off the grill. And we're just gonna set these on here, let them rest for a minute or so before you cut into them. That way the cheese will kind of firm up and keep everything together. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that. So easy. So crazy good. Who doesn't like a breakfast quesadilla? Oh my gosh. Stack them up. Stay up there, fool. All right. Yay, the favorite part, eating. This was so easy. It is so good. I'm gonna take a bite. Get a little bit of salsa. Maybe a little bit of sour cream as well. Get that corner there. All right, folks, here we go. I do need a lot of napkins. That's crazy good, guys. Like I said, if you're liking this video, like, share, subscribe, share, hit that notification button. That way you'll be notified when we make a new video. Please let me know what you think of this recipe. Leave it in the comments, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for tuning in.